Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see unboxing of JBL Cinema SB240 2.1 channel, and this is the box and the contents what I have received. See here, extra bass powerful sound. This is what they indicated on the box itself, and this is with one sound bar and one subwoofer, and along with the remote. They are providing this, and these are the specifications which are not. Yeah, and this is the sound bar. When I tried to check this for the first time, yeah, I'm just opening the package. And for me, my main preferred requirement to have this sound bar is to have crisp and clear sound and vocals. Yeah, see here, this is the sound bar. And as I have already seen some videos before buying this, the build quality is too good. See here, the build quality is with premium plastic material only, but this shining black. And the front part, the grill, there is a grill, metal grill, where the speakers are located. And this is the overall look. I just made it on the TV, behind the TV. And see, if we observe the clear, there are buttons like power on, volume up and down. And these are the ports. There's the optical port and HDMI port, HDMI ARC port. See here, and this is the power cord. This one, and one USB port is also available, optical, HDMI, USB, and power cord. And this is for the soundbar of JBL. And along with this, there is one subwoofer which is very yes, less compact in size when compared to other speakers. And this is what. And along with this, there are accessories also in this white box. I'll open the white box and I'll show you. And I guess I'll get one power cord for this. And there is a wide connection for this subwoofer, and the build quality is good enough. I need to check whether how the sound is. So the build quality is good. And from this subwoofer there will be a wire which will need to connect to the sound bar, and these are the accessories. And when I open this, there is one remote, and this is the user manual, how to use and everything. One remote, one HDMI cable, and one power cord. Yes, and they provided batteries also. And this is the remote. I need to check the remote. Yes, that's all